up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're talking about something that's low-key been a game changer recently: web scraping. You hear web scraping as a beginner and you're probably like, yeah, that sounds bougie and way too hard. But nah, trust me, it's not that deep. It's actually fire once you get the hang of it. How did I even get on this vibe? Okay, so peep this. Gemini, Senior Prompt Engineer, and then wow, look at this. Wonderful. After following Gemma's advice, and that's her name now, and hitting up this tutorial from Real Python on the request library, I'm not gonna lie, that was honestly the main character. Taught me how to web scrape in about 40 minutes. And then I was like, you know what? I'm feeling myself. Let me write my own script. So first things first, we've got beautiful soup requests as all imports, and I made this book class. I don't know, it's just good vibes for keeping our data organized. And then this list, you mean that database list? Oh man, you're not ready for the good stuff that's about to populate there. And then we've got get detail, get book get every page. And then, you know what's actually funny? The get every page function was only getting the last page because I forgot indentation. Of course, these 50 lines are not the best code out there. You'll need error handling, rate limiting, dynamic pagination, because we need to find the next page, and then data storage, because storing in a list is cool for now, but like for a big project, we should be storing to like a CSV file or database. So thank you so much for joining me on my journey as I document my learning so that I can get, I'm about to drop a slur.